From the worldwide campuses of Troy University, this is Troy TrojanVision Nightly News.
Plus, the weather actually feels like December outside. Sean, can we look forward to more of this cold weather?
Well, Caitlin, it's cold out there right now, and even more cold air will be coming down from Canada in the next few days. Just how cold will it get in the Troy area? I'll have the answer to that, plus your 4-day forecast coming up right after this.
You're watching the award-winning Troy TrojanVision Nightly News.
Welcome back, and now Sean Sporman joins us with a look at weather. Sean, I'm so excited for this colder weather.
Me too. You know, it's actually been kind of chilly with the rain, too. Are we going to see this rain coming back?
Yes, the rain's going to stick around, and it could get very heavy at times over the next 12 hours. And Mackenzie, if you love cold weather, you're going to love what's coming up Thursday and Friday. We've got some of the coldest air of this winter. How do 20s sound to you?
It's a little cold, but still.
Well, I'll get more into that in just a moment. But let's take a look outside right now across the campus of Troy University, and what you see. Well, the night, it's hard to see what you can see, but what you can see, if you look closely, you can see there's some raindrops distorting some of the light across the campus. That's because we've seen persistent light rain throughout the day, and that's only going to get heavier as the day goes on. Now, let's take a look at what the current conditions are right now. It is consistently cold out there, 52 degrees. Light rain is falling, 90% humidity because the air is super saturated. We have winds coming out of the west at 5. Our high today is 53, and paradoxically, as the night goes on, the temperatures are actually going to go up as Gulf moisture enters our area. So far, we've only had 3/100ths of an inch of rain, but that will definitely change because as you see, the southern half of Alabama is already receiving rain with temperatures in the 50s. The northern half hasn't seen much rain yet, but that is going to change as the rain moves from southwest to northeast across our area. And you can see that here on our Doppler radar picture. You can see a wide mass of rain and thunderstorms across our area. Take a look at these yellows. That's where the heavier echoes of rain are. And you can see the light rain is already beginning to spread in places such as Shelby County and into Jefferson County as well. That's because of this low pressure system here in the Gulf of Mexico, bringing up that warm Gulf air. And that's why the temperatures are going to increase. It's actually going to be warmer at 4 a.m. tomorrow morning than it is right now. How about that? And then again, we have very warm, moist air, and that's going to put fuel to the fire for not only a threat of severe thunderstorms, but some very heavy rain. Some places along the Florida coast could see up to 3 inches. Most places will see up to an inch of rain. This is going to be one of those very long-lived rain events for the next 12 hours. And I mentioned a chance of severe weather. Well, again, it's the southern half of the state, and we could see a threat for isolated tornado, maybe some strong hail and damaging winds. A flash flood watch is also in effect. In fact, some of the schools down around the Dauphin area have closed tomorrow, Dauphin City and Houston County, as well as some other areas, in advance of the threat of flooding for expecting 2 to 4 inches. Now, we do have some cold air on the way behind this. It's going to come down from Canada, and that could lead to a very interesting situation on Friday. Now, again, we may just see nothing at all. We may just see a little light rain. But as this first system makes its way out, a second system is going to be forming back in Texas. In that cold air, as it sweeps up north, we could see a chance of wintry precipitation in the form of snow somewhere in the state. Hard to pin it down yet, but it's definitely a situation to watch closely because some of the computer models are trying to bring it down here. Now again, this is a small chance, only about 30% that we'll see any precipitation at all, and the chance of snow is even less than that, but it's definitely something to keep an eye on across our area as it will be ripe for it with lows in the 20s across most of the state Friday night. For tonight, we're going to see a low of 56 degrees, rain and thunderstorms likely, some severe. Heavy rain will be possible at times. Now tomorrow, again, we're going to see the high temperatures start in the morning. The temperatures are going to go up from midnight tonight through the day tomorrow. Strong storms possible, some severe. It will be very windy even outside thunderstorms. Could see winds 15 to 30 miles an hour sustained. Take a look at your 4-day forecast right now, and you can see heavy rain will be likely. 100% chance tomorrow. Thursday, we're going to see cloudy skies, and Friday is where things get really interesting. Could be rain, could be snow. We'll have to see. And then Saturday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies return to our area. So Caitlin and Mackenzie, we're going to see a very changeable week of weather ahead.
Well, thank you, Sean. I appreciate that.
Thank you.